on a haul that I did at a thrift shop that's in Alexandria, Virginia. I had stopped at one of these a while back and just absolutely fell in love with them. They're called Second Avenue. And I love this store. There's so much stuff. It's like a huge, it's like a super Walmart floor plan. That's how big this place is. And it's fairly clean. The only problem that I do have is that it gets a little crowded in the aisles. They just don't have enough space for 2 buggies to pass. But, you know, to each his own. This is the place that I had gotten a brand new silhouette and was able to flip it and make a decent profit. A brand new silhouette with mats and some vinyl and tools and everything, and I got it for 20 bucks, and I was able to, of course, sell it right before Christmas and flip it. So, you know, you gotta, it's pick and choose, as any thrift shop is. So, okay, so with that being said, let's get into one of my favorite tools or favorite finds of the day, and it is this Ryobi drill. Now, it is a 4-volt. It is not the same as my glue gun, same color as my glue gun, but it comes with the charger, the instruction book, and the battery that was already in it, and it was $12.99. I, of course, was texting my husband back and forth and saying, is this a good deal? Because he gets frustrated when I ask him to do something in my shop, and I don't have the tools, and he has to go get the tools. You know how it is. I just rather have one that I can do my own things that's not too heavy for me to hold. Another find that I found was a brand new mini Bodabra. This is going to be great for my wreaths. It's going to be great for my cards. And it also includes a hair bow kit with a measuring tool. So I'm excited to learn how to use this. If you have any pointers, please tell me in the description box below, or tell me in the comment section below. I found a J. Jill t-shirt with almost, it's not quite a 3/4 sleeve, but you know, it comes down a little bit longer. I have the perfect item to go on that. It is a little longer so that I can wear it with my leggings. I found a luxury collection bath mat. You know, it was $1. I use it, I'll wash it and use it for the Airbnb that we have upstairs. I found a floral planter. It's got decorations. I figured if I painted it and redid all the florals. These are dried flowers too, so I figure if I take them out and spray them with some hairspray, that it'll keep them intact, and then I may be able to use them in other arrangements. Keep in mind that any arrangements that I find, oh, let me show you the back because it's really pretty. Any arrangements that I usually pick up at thrift shops is only because I either want the container or I want the flowers and I'm going to redo them. I hardly ever use the florals just like this. So, and before we get into the bigger stuff, I found this, it's got the little beady, can't see it in there. What am I talking about? These are all over the place come Christmas time, and they're usually uber expensive. Oh, there's 2. Sweet. This is red, white, and blue. This will be great during the 4th of July holiday seasons. And this is kind of like a lavendery, purpley, pink. Again, I usually will take this apart and use them as separate items in different floral arrangements. I did find a pair. I don't normally buy shoes at the thrift shop. I'll just be honest. I really don't. However, these are Vionic. And if you know anything about Vionics, you know that they're kind of very expensive, but they're orthopedic shoes. So, and I needed a pair of quick flats that I could just throw on my feet and be out. I don't like to wear flats because they hurt my feet, but Vionics are great. So I just picked up a quick pair, something I could wear to take the dogs out or to run to the shop or just run to the grocery store real quick. I also found this beautiful, beautiful vase urn. It is quite heavy, so I think that putting this on the table upstairs with a floral arrangement in it will keep it from falling over. So I do look for the heavier ones, especially now because we have kids in the Airbnb and I don't want them to break. It is also metal, so I don't have to worry about it cracking or breaking and hurting somebody. I found this shelf, which is great for my craft supplies, some of the craft supplies that I have. It is the perfect height for, say, nail polish. It's thick enough that you could probably get 2 rows in there. And the last couple things that I got were from their IKEA items, but I've been searching for them and they have been discontinued. And this is like I guess an old, it's about the size of a floppy disk. Am I dating myself now? Do you remember what a floppy disk is? Or a CD. Let's go there. 2 drawers. It's nice. It slides very easily. And it can be very easily painted. This one was only $3.99. And then this one has been stained and reinforced. But this one has 2 longer drawers and then 3 little mini drawers. And the thing I liked about this was it's long enough to put pencils or long enough to put paintbrushes or markers, that type of thing. I didn't know that. And of course it comes out both sides. You don't really have a front section or back section. The drawers can go in anyway. I will probably repaint that as well. These nice size drawers. They are nice size drawers. They're not quite 8.5. Well, maybe they are 8.5 by 11. This might be good for printer paper and ink and some cardstock to use to print on. So that was everything that I got. Okay, guys, that's it for my Second Avenue haul. Hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi, guys. I apologize for ending that video so abruptly. I am working on editing and I just wanted to pop in and let you know that I do appreciate all of you who spend a little bit of time with me and enjoy the hauls. And I am working on my editing and I am trying to get things straightened out, so hopefully I'll get better in the future. I hope you have a very blessed day and I'll see you next time. Bye.